Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn the third type of sentences, how to convert into indirect speech. The third type is imperative sentences, and here are some general rules. Imperative sentences always start from the first form of the verb, do not or never. Our reported speech start from the first form of verb, do not or never. And we change our reporting verb into requested, advised, ordered, begged, invited, prohibited, forbade, depending on the tone. If the tone is like advising, then you will use advised. If the tone is commanding, then you will use order here. And after removing inverted commas, we use to and not to for negative sentences. If we use not in our indirect speech, then we will use first we will write not, then we will write to. But in positive, we will use only to for a connecting words as a connecting word to remove inverted commas. When said is changed to forbade or prohibited, the words not and never are not used in the reported speech. If we use forbid or prohibited in your sentence, then you will not use the word of not and never. Okay, let's understand with the examples. First example here is the doctor said to me, take rest. You can easily comprehend from the tone of the sentence the doctor is advising to you. So its indirect form is the doctor advised me. Then you will remove your inverted commas, then to, and after that the remaining part of the sentence. Second example here is she said to me, please help me. Then you can easily understand the tone of the sentence. Then you will change your say to into requested. She requested me to help her. Me is the first person and it change with the subject of the reporting speech. Me change with the reporting speech subject. Me is the objective form, she objective form is her. Then you will write her here. Third example here is father said to me, don't go out. The father is advising and also forbidding to you. Then you will use forbid here. You will remove your say to. Father forbade me. Then you remove your inverted commas and you will use to and remaining part of the sentence. When you use the word of forbade or never in your sentence, then you will not use the word of do not or never. If you want to use the word of not in your sentence, then the sentence will be father advised me not to go out. Firstly, you will write not, then you will use to, then the remaining part of the sentence. In the last example here, the captain said, start the match. You can easily comprehend the tone is commanding to anyone. The captain ordered to start the match. Uh, this is about the imperative sentences. And the second type of imperative sentences, use of let in imperative sentences. If let is present, then which words we will use? Here are some general rules. Use of let in imperative sentences. When let is followed by us, for example, let us, it expresses a suggestion or the idea of doing something together. Then said is converted into suggested or proposed. When let followed by a us, then you will use instead of the reporting verb, you will use suggested or proposed. After removing inverted commas, we use that here. And we use should after the subject of the reported speech. After the reported speech subject, we will use should when expressing a suggestion or proposal. For example, the first example here is he said to me, let us play hockey. Then say to convert into propose or suggested. He proposed to me. You will remove your inverted commas here, that, and we will remove let and let us. And we will change our pronoun with the third person. Here third person is singular, he is singular, and its plural form is they. Then let us become they. And after that we will use should here. They should play hockey. You can change this direct speech into this form. He proposed. After that, you will use ing form playing hockey. You can uh, use from in one of them. Both are right. I said to him, second example, I said to him, let us go out for a walk. Here you are suggesting, then you will use I suggested to him. You will remove your inverted commas here, that use, and let us, we will remove let us, and pronoun change with the uh, subject. Then it will change into I suggested to him that, and let us change with the I plural form is we. Then we will write we as a subject here, and after that we will use should and the remaining part of the sentence. We should go out for a walk. If let followed by us, then we will change our direct speech into these forms. We will use suggested or proposed, and we will remove inverted commas and use that. If let followed by us. If let is not followed by us, here you can see, if let is not followed by us but by someone else, like let him, let her, let them, then it is usually changed into asked or requested in indirect speech. Sometimes said is left unchanged. After removing inverted commas, we use to here. If do not comes before let, it should be changed to not to in indirect speech. Okay, let's understand with the examples. She said, let me go to college today. Then let followed by me. Then we will change our reporting verb into requested or asked. She requested to, we will remove our inverted commas, and we will not change our let. We write let as it, and after that me is the first person change with the she. Me is the objective form, she objective form is her, and after that the remaining part go to college, and today convert into that day. You can also change this sentence into this form. She requested to be allowed to go to college that day. You can choose in one of them method that are convenient for you. The second example, I said to him, do not let this boy pass through this bazaar. Then said to convert into I requested him, and when we uh, when we use not in our sentence, then firstly we will write in indirect form not, then we will write to not to let, and this become that boy through, and this become that bazaar. Okay, if do not comes from before let, then it is changed into not to. Like here, not to let that boy pass through that bazaar. You can change this sentence into this form. I told him not to let that boy through that bazaar. Both are right. So that's all for today, imperative sentences and also the use of let in imperative sentences. If you have any question, drop your comment below the video. I will answer in the next video. Thank you.